Okay, so we had a little break from the heat and some kind of exciting weather yesterday, but we're back on track.
Kind of like we thought. Yep, and we knew that moisture wasn't going to hang around,
yeah,
right?
No.
Right.
A lot of it kind of just moved out over the Pacific, and then the rest of it is pulling to the north and moving back over the desert Southwest where it belongs. All right, here's the story with the weather as we take you outside for a live look of a high-definition view of downtown Fresno. And the sun is coming through and warming things up a little bit more than yesterday. By this time yesterday, we had peaked at 95, but then cooled to the upper 80s after rain showers moved in. Here's the view from Storm Warn 30. We do see the drier conditions moving in from the south, and a ridge of high pressure is still out in the Pacific, and that's controlling anything from coming in to cool us down. And this stuff is just lifting out of the way, and so the drier air is taking over. We do have some isolated showers popping up, maybe little areas of thunder out over the desertous areas and over the crest of the Sierra, but in isolated areas across the valley floor, obviously. It's quiet. So we're going to continue with our sunshine. That'll take us to temperatures right at or above 100 for tomorrow, and that warming trend continues into the weekend with some thunderstorm activity out over the desert remaining. Air quality status for tomorrow, it's going to be moderate for the entire valley floor. And northwest wind at 13 with a 99 right now in Fresno. We do have temperatures flirting with triple digits, as you can see at the airport in Lemoore and also in Fresno. A slight chance of thunder. There's still a little bit of moisture hanging around right at the crest, but favoring the eastern slope of the Sierra, so there could be some active weather there for tomorrow if you're at higher elevations. Yosemite warming to 96, a 55 low tonight for Shaver with a high tomorrow of 83. The foothill community is seeing a few clouds, but predominantly sunshine and temperatures in the mid to upper 90s after 60s in morning lows. 72 for the valley tonight with upper 60s expected. In the outlying areas, winds still anywhere from about 5 to 10 miles per hour, but it'll be a pleasant evening and another cool start tomorrow. Hanging on to a few 90s, and across the valley we will top out at 100, right about where we were today, very similar to today. And then the warming trend continues with the clearer skies. Temperatures come back a little bit because a few clouds come off the southern Sierra Nevada for the weekend when the thunderstorms dissipate, so we should cool, but it's just because of some cloud cover on the weekend, not cooler air coming in.
Not really expecting those boomers to move into the valley this time.
Typical weather stuff now.
You got
it. It is. All right. Thanks, Kevin.